Well, it is pouring down rain. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's vlog. We are going to the pumpkin patch today. I thought I would do a fun little Halloween vlog and take you guys with us to the pumpkin patch. We're gonna paint pumpkins and go trick-or-treating. So yeah, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and
give it a thumbs up.
Let's go. So if you want to know how big of a mess we are, it's about to start storming and my boot is broke. My favorite boot.
Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever seem to be.
Well, it is pouring down rain, so we are gonna come back another day. And I really wanted to get a family picture, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen today anyway.
You wanted everything on it? Yes, please. And then let's...
Good morning. Today is another little lazy day. It's a little dreary and cold outside, and we are going to IKEA today. Woohoo! I'm so excited. I love IKEA. We really need to get a rug for Juliette's room, but I don't know if we're getting anything or if we're just looking around. We're just gonna have a good day. Also love this new lip color. Girl, yes.
But now I am telling you, I'm going to smile. But I would never would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky me.
We just got back or done out of IKEA, and I wanted to find a rug and some lights for Juliette's room, and I didn't find either one of those. So we're gonna head back home and do some cleaning and paint pumpkins today. And we just ran out of gas, but we coasted just far enough to make it to the pump. Yeah! Look how cute my hair turned out. I just braided it this morning after the shower, and now it's dry and fluffy.
Here she goes. Lucky me. Lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky me. Lucky. I wanna the door hit.
Morning, beautiful people. We are headed to 5 and Below this morning. Happy Halloween. It's Halloween today. But yeah, we went to IKEA last night to look for a rug and didn't find one. And then I remember seeing some little rugs at 5 and Below. So yeah, we're gonna go to 5 and Below. Juliette needs a stocking cap because it's quite cold today. So let's go. Alright, so we went to 5 and Below, didn't find anything there. We went to Ross. I found a Ross. Hallelujah. And I found these little lights. I've been wanting to hang fairy lights in her room just to make it feel more like a vibe. So these lights are what we found.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not.
I thought those were super cute, even for like a baby shower or like a bridal shower or something. You can write anything, and there's quite enough room. Like Juliette's playroom is a big thing, and there's plenty of room for that. So yeah, I will link them below. What are you eating? Are you eating some chicken? Chicken? Are you wearing your pumpkin shirt? Is that a pumpkin? Pumpkin?
I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go? Let go of the days I wish we had. Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we
Candy girl.
don't make sense. You, I keep wishing and wishing we'll end up together. You, I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do.
Alright guys, that is all for this video. I hope you guys had a happy and safe Halloween, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can reach my goal of 100 subscribers. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!